Welcome along to CFTV India. My name is Sanket. We have here.
Hi,
What's your
this
name?
is Rahul Sharma here.
Okay, Rahul. What your thoughts about today's match?
Honestly, it was a one-sided match because Abhishek was, he was just looking magnificent, and it's a rare talent I feel because he was playing quite effortless. Watching it live, I felt, he had the best shape. He could just stand still and hit the shots. It was pure power and timing. So I think it was a one-sided match.
So it was a dead rubber. Okay.
Yeah,
So ODI series is coming up. Champions Trophy is on the horizon.
yeah.
What do you think about Indian cricket team chances
Okay.
in Champions Trophy?
Honestly, it depends how they perform. Cricket is such a game that you have to have a bit of luck on your side. Even if you give your 100%, it's here and there. Sometimes you miss a catch, or there's a decision which is not in your favor. So I feel that Champions Trophy, India would be playing in Dubai, and rest of the matches are in Pakistan. So the thing is, I feel India has a great chance, and let's see. I hope India, gets the trophy.
विराट कोहली एंड रोहित शर्मा बहुत क्रिटिसाइज हुए हैं
हाँ।
उनके परफॉर्मेंस के लेके.
हाँ, हाँ.
ओके, बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी में बहुत खराब प्रदर्शन रहा टीम
जी.
इंडिया का.
Yeah.
गोइंग फॉरवर्ड चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी तक वो फॉर्म में आ पाएंगे, और उसके बाद क्या विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा को कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए, या फिर कोई यंगस्टर जैसे कि अभिषेक शर्मा हु इज नॉट इन चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी स्क्वाड हु प्लेड रियली वेल,
Yeah.
उनको चांस देना चाहिए?
See, first of all, great respect to Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. The thing is, they are legends of the game. Virat has, brought Indian cricket quite forward in terms of fitness. And the thing is, Rohit Sharma is just some class apart. Everyone says, he has an extra second maybe to hit the ball. So I feel definitely taking the young talent into consideration. The thing is, मेरे को लगता है कि विराट कोहली एंड रोहित शर्मा दे आर वन जस्ट आई मीन दे आर जस्ट क्लास अपार्ट. सो आई थिंक once they find their rhythm, whatever happened in Australia, let's keep it in Australia, and I feel they'll come quite good, and I hope they perform well for India.
Who will be the toughest opponent for India in Champions Trophy?
It's a difficult one. I feel, Pakistan is a good team in Dubai, so they would be tough considering the pressure they have, the pressure you create globally, India-Pakistan game, and the thing is, Australia. I mean, I am.
थॉट्स अबाउट ऑजीज क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम ट्विटर पे ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि कमिंस ने रोहित शर्मा और पूरी इंडिया को रणजी ट्रॉफी खिलाने के लिए भेज दिया है. व्हाट योर थॉट्स?
No. See,
He's a great cricketer. Okay, we need to appreciate him, Pat Cummins.
yeah.
What you think will be the X factor or turning point?
See, first of all, what I feel as a hardcore cricket fan is Australia, they perform really well in the big games. They come up with a certain plan. I don't know how they execute it again and again. They won the final in 2023 in Ahmedabad. I think, if you need to beat Australia, you need to be sharp here, you need to be calm. And Cummins, he is a pure leader, I feel. The decisions he take, for example, if you remember Rohit Sharma opening the game, this final, and he had kept the point backwards.
Yes.
And just, he was not letting the runs come easy. Hardcore thinker. And if India, they can beat Australia, and I think, we have crossed the line maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think the difference between Australian mindset and Indian mindset? While Australia performs much better on finals, while India gets knocked out, they played really well in group stages and knockouts. But when it comes to the crunch matches, the title decider, India flatters.
See, honestly, it's nothing like who's better in the mind. I think both are, on the different scenarios. Sometimes it clicks and sometimes it doesn't. So it's a bit, but I feel, the aggression which Rohit and Virat would carry, and the entire Indian team now that they've lost the Border Gavaskar Trophy. So I definitely feel that Virat and Rohit, India would be the team they'll beat Australia, I feel, and let's hope for the best.
तो सर आज के मैच के बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे?
फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट ये बहुत ही जबरदस्त चैनल है आपकी. वी आर द मेंबर्स एंड द फाउंडर्स ऑफ द पगड़ी गैंग व्हिच आर वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट क्रिकेट फैंस ऑफ गेम ऑफ क्रिकेट ऑफ इंडिया.
Okay.
We travel all over the world and we went to Australia, we went to USA, we went to Dubai and now continuing the entire World Cup last year and this year also for Champions Trophy.
सुपर. आज के मैच का कोई एक ऐसा मोमेंट या कोई एक ऐसा प्लेयर जिसने आपके एक वाओ ये मोमेंट था आपके लिए?
यही मोमेंट तो अभिषेक शर्मा.
अभिषेक शर्मा.
इनको पूछो.
वही था आज का शाहरुख
Who was
खान.
Who was the best player today?
Abhishek Sharma.
Oh my God.
So young Pagdi Gang member says Abhishek and we also endorse him. He has been simply phenomenal and one of the greatest discovery for Indian cricket in last 1 year. And I think our star has arrived and filled the gap of Rohit Sharma on the top.
Okay.